In today's fast-paced world, credit cards have become an essential tool for managing finances and making purchases. However, without proper credit card management, they can quickly lead to debt and financial stress. That's where credit card wisdom comes into play. In this video, we will explore the keys to mastering credit card management and unlocking the benefits that these plastic wonders can offer. Understanding credit cards and their features. Credit cards are a convenient form of payment that allows you to borrow money from a financial institution to make purchases. They typically offer a pre-approved credit limit, which represents the maximum amount you can borrow. When you use a credit card, you are essentially borrowing money from the credit card issuer, which you need to repay within a specific time frame. Credit cards come with various features that can vary depending on the issuer and type of card. These features may include rewards programs, cashback offers, travel benefits, and low interest rates. Understanding these features is crucial in maximizing the benefits that credit cards can offer. The importance of credit card management. While credit cards can be a valuable financial tool, they can also lead to financial ruin if not managed properly. It's essential to understand the importance of credit card management to avoid falling into debt and damaging your credit score. One of the key aspects of credit card management is maintaining a healthy credit utilization ratio. This ratio represents the percentage of your available credit that you are currently using. It's recommended to keep your credit utilization below 30% to maintain a good credit score. By keeping your credit utilization low, you show lenders that you are responsible with your credit and can handle it effectively. Additionally, credit card management involves making timely payments. Late payments can not only result in hefty fees and interest charges but can also negatively impact your credit score. By paying your credit card bills on time, you demonstrate financial responsibility and improve your creditworthiness. Common credit card mistakes to avoid. When it comes to credit card management, there are several common mistakes that many people make. By being aware of these pitfalls, you can avoid them and maintain a healthy financial outlook. One common mistake is overspending. It's easy to get carried away with credit card spending, especially when you have a high credit limit. However, it's important to remember that you'll eventually have to repay the borrowed amount, along with any interest charges. By creating a budget and sticking to it, you can avoid overspending and stay on top of your credit card payments. Another mistake to avoid is only making minimum payments. While making the minimum payment may seem like a convenient option, it can result in a never-ending cycle of debt. By paying only the minimum amount, you'll accrue interest charges on the remaining balance, making it harder to pay off your credit card debt in the long run. Aim to pay off your credit card balance in full each month to avoid unnecessary interest charges. How to choose the right credit card for your needs. Choosing the right credit card for your needs is an important part of credit card management. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to decide which card is best for you. However, by considering your spending habits, financial goals, and lifestyle, you can narrow down your options and find the perfect fit. When choosing a credit card, consider the rewards and benefits it offers. If you travel frequently, a card that offers travel rewards and perks may be the best choice for you. On the other hand, if you prefer cashback rewards, look for a card that offers generous cashback rates on your most frequent spending categories. It's also important to compare interest rates and fees associated with different credit cards. Look for cards with low interest rates, especially if you anticipate carrying a balance from month to month. Additionally, be mindful of any annual fees or foreign transaction fees that may apply. Tips for responsible credit card usage. To effectively manage your credit cards, it's essential to adopt responsible usage habits. By following these tips, you can maintain control over your finances and make the most out of your credit card benefits. Create a budget. Set spending limits for each category and stick to them. This will help you avoid overspending and stay within your means. Track your expenses. Keep a record of all your credit card purchases. This will help you identify any unnecessary spending and stay on top of your financial situation. Pay your bills on time. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a payment. Late payments can result in fees, interest charges, and damage to your credit score. Review your statements. Regularly review your credit card statements to ensure there are no unauthorized charges. If you notice any discrepancies, report them to your credit card issuer immediately. Use credit cards for planned expenses. Avoid using your credit cards for impulse purchases or unnecessary expenses. Reserve them for planned expenses that you have budgeted for. Strategies for paying off credit card debt. If you find yourself carrying a balance on your credit cards, it's important to develop a strategy for paying off your debt. Here are some effective strategies to consider. Snowball method. Start by paying off the credit card with the smallest balance while making minimum payments on the other cards. Once the smallest balance is paid off, move on to the next smallest balance. This method provides a psychological boost by allowing you to see progress quickly. Avalanche method. Prioritize paying off the credit card with the highest interest rate first while making minimum payments on the other cards. Once the highest interest rate card is paid off, move on to the next highest. This method saves you money and interest charges over the long run. Balance transfer. Consider transferring your credit card balances to a card with a lower interest rate or a promotional 0% APR. This can help you save on interest charges and pay off your debt faster. However, be mindful of any balance transfer fees and the duration of the promotional rate. Debt consolidation loan. If you have multiple credit card balances, consolidating them into a single loan can simplify your payments and potentially lower your interest rate. This can make it easier to manage your debt and pay it off more efficiently. Remember, paying off credit card debt requires discipline and commitment. It's important to stick to your chosen strategy and avoid accumulating more debt while you work towards becoming debt-free. Building and improving your credit score with credit cards. Credit cards can play a significant role in building and improving your credit score. Your credit score is a 3-digit number that represents your creditworthiness and is used by lenders to assess your risk as a borrower. A higher credit score can result in better interest rates, loan approvals, and access to favorable financial opportunities. One of the key factors that contribute to your credit score is your payment history. By making timely credit card payments, you establish a positive payment history, which can boost your credit score over time. Aim to pay your credit card bills in full and on time to demonstrate your reliability as a borrower. Another factor that impacts your credit score is your credit utilization ratio. As mentioned earlier, keeping your credit utilization below 30% is recommended. To achieve this, consider making multiple payments throughout the month or increasing your credit limit if necessary. By maintaining a low credit utilization ratio, you show lenders that you are responsible with your credit and can handle it effectively. Credit card rewards and benefits. Credit cards offer a wide range of rewards and benefits that can add value to your financial life. By understanding and maximizing these rewards, you can make the most out of your credit card usage. One common type of credit card reward is cashback. Cashback credit cards offer a percentage of your spending back as cash rewards. These rewards can be redeemed as statement credits, checks, or even direct deposits into your bank account. Look for cards that offer higher cashback rates on the categories where you spend the most. Another popular reward is travel rewards. Travel credit cards often offer points or miles for every dollar spent, which can be redeemed for discounted flights, hotel stays, or even free trips. If you're a frequent traveler, a travel rewards credit card can provide significant value and help you save on your travel expenses. In addition to rewards, credit cards may offer various benefits such as extended warranties, purchase protection, travel insurance, and airport lounge access. These perks can enhance your shopping experience and provide peace of mind when traveling. Tools and resources for managing credit cards. Managing credit cards effectively requires organization and attention to detail. Fortunately, there are several tools and resources available to help you stay on top of your credit card management. Budgeting apps. Utilize budgeting apps that allow you to track your expenses, set spending limits, and monitor your credit card usage. These apps can provide real-time insights into your financial situation and help you make informed decisions. Credit monitoring services. Consider signing up for a credit monitoring service that provides regular updates on your credit score and alerts you to any suspicious activity. Monitoring your credit can help you detect and address any potential issues early on. Online banking platforms. Most credit card issuers offer online banking platforms that allow you to manage your credit card account, view statements, make payments, and track your expenses. Take advantage of these platforms to stay organized and in control of your credit cards. Financial education resources. Educate yourself on credit card management through books, videos, and online resources. Understanding the best practices and strategies can empower you to make informed decisions and maximize the benefits of your credit cards. Conclusion. Mastering credit card management for financial success. Credit cards can be powerful financial tools when managed effectively. By understanding credit card features, avoiding common mistakes, choosing the right card for your needs, and adopting responsible usage habits, you can unlock the benefits and rewards that credit cards offer. Additionally, by developing strategies for paying off credit card debt, building your credit score, and utilizing the available tools and resources, you can achieve financial success and peace of mind. So, take control of your finances, master the art of credit card management, and embark on a journey towards financial success. With credit card wisdom, you can make the most out of your credit cards and achieve your financial goals.